Hello everybody and welcome to Mr. Stansfield's Education Videos. Today we're looking at pixels. And what is a pixel? A pixel is the fundamental building block of digital images. It's a small square of color, and if you put enough of them together, and we're talking thousands if not millions of little tiny colored squares, you get a digital image. So let's take a look. We're working with Photopea this year. Alright, so if you navigate to photopea.com right here, you'll get this image editing software. It's a browser-based software. And let's go ahead and open an image from our computer. So we click here and find an image in your Google Drive. In this case, I'm going to pick a selfie. And I want to just show you kind of how to look at pixels here. So if I zoom in, I'm using shortcut keys, but if you go up here to view, zoom in, view, zoom in, view, zoom in. Let's get very well acquainted apparently with my mouth. That's the center of the photo. And what we see here are these little squares. Now this is a black and white photo, but if you had a color photo, they'd be different colors. And if you have enough of them, it makes up an image like this, right? So if you zoom out, by the way, the shortcut key is Control minus or Control plus to zoom in, minus to zoom out. Command if you're on a Mac. Let's go ahead and play around with this image a little bit. We're going to go up here to Filter, Pixelate, and then Mosaic. And this will actually play around with the image a little bit. It's not actually looking at the image as if it were kind of actually, it's not changing the pixels themselves. It's not converting the pixels. It's not making the pixels bigger is what I'm trying to say. What it does is it kind of gives the illusion or the appearance of pixels. So we can kind of take this slider, and what I want you to do is kind of make this sort of, think of it as like a Mario, like original Nintendo 8-bit kind of image. This is probably too much resolution, something like this, right? We're really making this abstract kind of design. Now your numbers may be different. This happens to be 47 here, the cell size, but depending on the size of the photo that you open, it's going to be different. Now to save work in Photopea, we go File, Export As, and then here we go, JPEG. We always want to export as a JPEG, click Save. It's going to ask me where I want to save it. Make sure that I'm going to click Save here. If your Photopea doesn't ask you where to save it, there's some settings in Google Chrome that you can set up, so make sure that you do that, I would say, beforehand. So the goal here is to kind of play around with pixels and take a self-portrait and make it maybe unrecognizable, a little bit abstract, kind of fun. And hopefully we can start to understand a little bit more about these building blocks, literal building blocks of digital images.